Hi guys, welcome to a new and fresh video of our channel, Cool Gadget. So if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. So guys, today I am going to show you top 7 smart room gadgets which will make your home futuristic and advanced. To know about them, watch the full video and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. So let's start the video. First, Ring Access Controller Pro. You know how convenient it is used to use smart lock to unlock your front door from anywhere. With the Ring Access Controller Pro Secure Gate Opener, you can do the same thing with your gate. When connected with the Ring app, this gate controller lets you open your home's gate from afar. That means you can let in carpool drivers dropping off your kids or service people working on your house. Additionally, this Ring gate and opener uses either an Ethernet or cellular connection. So no matter where your gate is or how would you like to set it up, you will be able to do so. Furthermore, you can connect it to Key by Amazon to let your package delivery person inside. Thanks to this feature, you can avoid being the victim of package theft. Second, Sevenhug Smart Remote X. The Sevenhug Smart Remote X all-in-one controller combines your remote with your smart home hub. So instead of having 2 or more devices to control your TV, smart lights, doorbell and other gadgets, you can stick with just one. With an easy-to-use design, this smart home remote suits the whole family. You can turn out the lights in your child's room when it's time for them to go to bed. Or if you are that parent, you can turn the lights on in your teen's room when they need to wake up. This smart controller gives you a portable, simple smart home manager. Turn on and off smart outlets, turn the volume up and down your speaker, and create custom scenes. These scenes let you control multiple devices with the touch of button, creating instant ambience. Third, FridgeEye Smart. Transform your ordinary fridge into a smart fridge with the FridgeEye Smart refrigerator camera, working with any and every refrigerator on the market. It easily installs right inside your fridge. FridgeEye gives you a real-time view of the inside of the refrigerator when you are far from home. It's perfect for when you are at the grocery store and can't quite remember if you are out of eggs, saving food and saving money. It works by connecting to your home's Wi-Fi network. Then when you open the app, it uses its wide-angle lens to provide a live feed for what's inside. It can even recognize common items for easy identifying, and because the inside of your fridge is dark, FridgeEye even has a built-in light so you can see absolutely everything inside. You can also use the app to create your grocery list so it will all in one place. Featuring a quick and easy installation process, FridgeEye is durable and water resistant to hold up to it all. Fourth, Ecobee 4 Room Sensing. If you are looking for a great addition to your smart home, check out Ecobee 4 Room Sensing Alexa Thermostat. With a room sensor that manages hot and cold spots, this thermostat is built to keep the temperature even in your house. It has amazing Alexa technology built right into the hardware. Aside from setting the temperature, you can ask this thermostat about the weather, the news, or to order groceries. The device also has powerful speakers and microphones, so you don't need to be near it to give a command. In addition, you can change your temperature on the go with the Ecobee 4 mobile app as well. This smart device is designed to maximize your comfort at home, and it delivers. Fifth, OhMySonic. Achieve a deep clean for all your belongings with the OhMySonic wireless ultrasonic cleaning tool. Totally wireless, the device can cleaning anything from food to clothing to jewelry. OhMySonic works wonder on hand wash only items. In fact, it can handle loads up to 4.4 lbs on a single run. Whether you are camping or just trying to save water, OhMySonic gets rid of dirt, wine, rust and even stains. It does all this without the need for an outlet or a power bank. Simply pop up OhMySonic into a bowl of water with your belongings, use the app to choose your settings and it's good to go. OhMySonic cleans down to the microscopic level so you can rest assured anything from your food to toys is totally clean. And it only uses 2% of the water a washing machine would use. With just 2 hours of charging, OhMySonic can provide 4 washes of 1 lb. 7. Kid Sound VoiceOne. Get your speaker to play high quality audio using just your voice with the Kid Sound VoiceOne Alexa smart speaker. Featuring Amazon Alexa integration, the VoiceOne allows you to use your speaker hands-free. With a great look and sound, the voice has come with a full range drivers to provide hi-fi audio that fills the room. It offers powerfully audio with ideal clarity so you can be sure music will always sound its best. Additionally, the speaker provides built-in multi-room technology allowing you to connect up to 8 VoiceOne speakers wirelessly. Just connect it to an external music source or stream your favorite music and distribute sound throughout all speakers using Wi-Fi. The VoiceOne also uses a stain-resistant woven grill that protects against splashes, making it an ideal cooking companion. It even has a charging outlet in the back for external devices. So if you like our video, don't forget to like, comment, share the video and subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified about our daily updates. Thank you.